Hello everyone and welcome back to 5 Words About. My name is Thuỷ Lương. I'm currently a teacher of the senior course at the IELTS Workshop. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys 5 words related to the IELTS Workshop. And now, let's begin to learn 5 words about to. And the first word that springs to mind is groundbreaking or innovative. Like everyone in the IELTS workshop is incredibly creative, and we always try to think about new ideas and the different ways of learning, teaching or marketing. We are the outside the box thinkers, and so the first word is groundbreaking. And the next word is results-oriented. Every goal that we set for ourselves, we'll be striving our best to fulfill it. And our ultimate goal is to help a lot of students become more effective learners and to help them get higher scores. And 2 is synonymous with being autonomous. Here, everyone can make their own decisions and we don't need to be micromanaged. So we have more freedom of speech and to think about our own ideas, which can tremendously boost our productivity. And another word is inclusive. 2 is incredibly diverse when it comes to its working culture. I mean, everyone with different personality, different ages, has come from different regions across Vietnam, and we have come together, work towards a common goal to become what we are today. And the last word can be amiable. Everyone at TIW is incredibly hospitable, friendly, and they are willing to help you whenever you need. And we have been making a concerted effort to offer everyone the best learning experience in the world. Just kidding. So, those are 5 words that we can use to describe TIW. And not only TIW, you can use those words to describe any organization or individuals that you like. And I hope that the lesson would be really helpful for you for your IELTS preparation. And I hope to see you in other videos. Again, my name is Thuỷ Lương. I'm from the IELTS Workshop. Thanks for watching. Bye!